Imagine walking through a bustling street filled with the scent of roses, the sight of heart-shaped balloons floating against the skyline, and the sound of love songs whispering through the air. Welcome everyone to our special journey today, where we're not just learning English, we're diving into the heart of Valentine's Day. From the sweet whispers of "Be Mine" to the grand gestures of love that sweep you off your feet, today's lesson is all about the language of love and the traditions that make February 14th a day to remember across the globe. Whether you're a hopeless romantic or just curious about this celebration of love, I promise you'll walk away from today's lesson with not just new vocabulary, but a whole new appreciation for the power of love expressed in words. So grab your notepad and let's explore the phrases and customs that make Valentine's Day a universal language of its own. Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of love and romance. I'm Sausan, your friendly ESL teacher. Grab your cup of coffee and favorite snack because we're about to explore the origins of Valentine's Day, how it's celebrated in the United States, and a whole lot more. The origins of Valentine's Day as we know it today, has a fascinating history. Its origins can be traced back to ancient Rome, when the feast of Lupercalia was celebrated on February 15th. During this festival, young men would draw the names of young women from a box, and they would be paired together for the duration of the festival, sometimes leading to romantic relationships. The Christian influence on Valentine's Day began when the Catholic Church recognized several martyrs named Valentine. The most famous was Saint Valentine of Rome, who, according to legend, performed marriages for soldiers, forbidden to marry, and for ministering to Christians persecuted under the Roman Empire. Now let's fast forward to modern times in the United States and talk about how Valentine's Day is celebrated right here in the United States, where people exchange cards, flowers, chocolates, and gifts. But it's not just about romance, it's a day to show appreciation to friends and family too, as well as self-care. Kids exchange cute Valentine's Day cards at school, spreading love all around. It's a lovely way to spread love and kindness. In recent years, the digital age has seen an increase in online expressions of love. People send heartfelt messages, share love-themed content on social media, and even make online purchases for their loved ones. Phrases and expression. Be mine. A romantic request for someone's affection. Example, he looked into her eyes and said, "Will you be mine forever?"
Vicky Turner, will you be my Valentine?
Will you be my Valentine?
Will you be my Valentine?
Ivy Miller, will you be my Valentine?
Be my Valentine.
Falling head over heels. To fall deeply in love with someone. From the moment they met, he was falling head over heels in love with her.
That I'll fall head over heels for Joe?
I say, fall head over heels. What?
I'm sorry, I not tell you the truth before I make you fall head over teeth for me.
And then fall head over heels in love with Todd and live life happily ever after.
You ever seen somebody fall head over heels in love? For real? Read?
Heart skips a beat. Feeling very excited or nervous, especially when you see someone you love. Every time he walked into the room, her heart skipped a beat.
You make my heart skip a beat. I've been and always will be the person who makes my heart skip a beat when you play.
That moment when someone makes your heart skip a beat and you think anything is possible.
Love at first sight. Immediate attraction upon first seeing someone. They met at the coffee shop, and it was love at first sight for both of them.
And was it love at first sight for you too?
My ex-husband and I fell in love at first sight.
They had a love at first sight relationship too.
Hello, me and you, love at first sight.
Love at first sight doesn't only happen just in the movies.
Match made in heaven. A relationship that is likely to be happy and successful. Their relationship was so harmonious, it truly seemed like a match made in heaven.
A match made in heaven.
Yeah, we more like a match made in heaven.
Me? With her. Looks like a match made in heaven to me.
Unfortunately, Charles and Christina were not a match made in heaven.
And I know in my heart of hearts that you two are a match made in heaven.
Steal someone's heart. To capture someone's affections, make someone fall in love with you. With his charming smile and kindness, he managed to steal her heart within weeks.
You steal someone's heart, that's a real crime. And
Cultural insights into how Valentine's Day is celebrated around the globe can add depth and global awareness to your language learning and enriches your understanding of this day beyond mere vocabulary. Let's dive into some cultural insights from different parts of the world. Japan, chocolates with a twist. In Japan, Valentine's Day is celebrated with a unique twist where women give chocolates to men. There are two types of chocolates given: giri choco, obligation chocolate, given to male friends, colleagues, and family members, and honmei choco, true feeling chocolate, which is reserved for a woman's romantic interest. Interestingly, there's a follow-up day called White Day on March 14th, where men who received chocolates on Valentine's Day are expected to return the favor with gifts, often white in color and of higher value. Wales, the love spoon tradition. Welsh Valentine's Day is celebrated on January 25th, known as Dydd Santes Dwynwen, St. Dwynwen's Day, the Welsh patron saint of lovers. A unique Welsh tradition is the giving of hand-carved wooden spoons, known as love spoons, dating back to the 17th century. These spoons are intricately designed with symbols of love, such as hearts, locks, and keys, representing the carver's skills and affection for the recipient. Italy, a romantic feast for the senses. Historically, Valentine's Day in Italy was celebrated as a spring festival, where young couples would gather outdoors to enjoy poetry readings and music before taking a stroll with their beloved. In some parts of Italy, it's traditional for unmarried girls to wake up before dawn to spot their future husbands, believing that the first man they see on Valentine's Day will marry them within a year. Today, Italians celebrate with gift exchanges between lovers and romantic dinners, making it a feast for the senses with the country's rich culinary and wine traditions. South Korea, a year-round celebration of love. South Korea takes the celebration of love even further, with specific days marked each month for couples to celebrate. Apart from Valentine's Day and White Day, there's Black Day on April 14th, where singles gather to eat jjajangmyeon, black bean sauce noodles, as a way to mourn their solitary status or celebrate their freedom. Other monthly celebrations include Rose Day in May and Silver Day in July, where couples exchange roses and silver accessories respectively. Brazil, Lover's Day in June. Brazilians skip the February 14th celebration in favor of Dia dos Namorados, Lover's Day, on June 12th. This day is marked with musical performances, festivals, and parties, reflecting Brazil's vibrant culture. Couples exchange gifts, flowers, and chocolates, and enjoy dinners and concerts together. The celebration is akin to Valentine's Day, but is uniquely Brazilian, showcasing the country's warm, communal spirit. Well, there you have it, folks. We've covered the origins of Valentine's Day, how it's celebrated in the United States, beautiful words and phrases of love, and heartwarming expressions to make your loved ones feel special. I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more content, and share this video with your friends. Make sure to check my community tab later for a list of Valentine's Day nouns, verbs, and adjectives. As always, feel free to leave your comments and questions below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, spread love, stay passionate, and keep chasing those dreams.